Is your PS5 stuck in a safe mode loop and refusing to boot normally no matter what you click? Don't worry, because before you give up, we're going to look at the physical hardware causes that software updates just can't fix. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, a safe mode loop happens because of a hardware communication error, a faulty internal drive, or even a bad cable preventing the system from verifying its own health. Let's get your console back to the dashboard with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. The master power drain. Unplug your PS5 from the wall and hold the power button for 30 seconds to clear the motherboard of any residual static charge. Leave it unplugged for 20 minutes to let the internal memory reset. Step 2. Reseat your M.2 SSD. If you've added an extra storage drive, a loose connection can force the PS5 into safe mode for safety. Pop the cover, unscrew the drive, and slide it back in firmly to ensure a perfect fit. Step 3. Inspect your HDMI 2.1 port. A tiny bent pin inside the port can cause a short circuit that tricks the system into thinking there is a hardware failure. Use a flashlight to check that all silver pins are straight and not touching each other. Step 4. Swap your HDMI 2.1 cable. A cheap or damaged cable can fail to send the handshake signal the PS5 needs to exit safe mode. Try a high-speed cable to rule out a simple signal bottleneck. Step 5. Clean the internal dust catchers. Remove the white faceplates and locate the 2 triangular holes near the fan. Use a vacuum to pull out any debris that might be causing the internal power supply to overheat and trigger a safety boot. Step 6. Check the CMOS battery. If your console is older and has been unplugged for a long time, an empty internal battery can cause boot loops. While this requires more effort to reach, it is a common culprit for BIOS-level errors. Step 7. Test a different power cord. Use a standard non-polarized figure 8 cable from another device. A cable with a tiny internal break can provide enough power for safe mode, but not enough for a full system boot. Step 8. Disconnect all USB accessories. Unplug your headsets, charging docks, and external hard drives. A corrupted external drive or a faulty USB hub can hang the startup process and force the console back into the recovery menu. Step 9. Change your TV or monitor port. Sometimes a specific port on your display has a failing HDCP chip. Switching to a different input can reset the video handshake and allow the console to boot to the home screen. Step 10. Flip the console orientation. If you usually keep your PS5 vertical, try laying it horizontally on its side. This can sometimes resolve issues with the liquid metal thermal compound shifting or stabilize a loose internal connection. For a quick bonus tip, try cleaning the power button itself with a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. A sticky button can sometimes register a long press, which accidentally triggers safe mode every single time you turn the console on. If you face any difficulty with these hardware steps, please leave a comment below. I am staying active on this thread, and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you troubleshoot. If these fixes saved your gaming night, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your PS5 is a powerhouse, and with these steps, you are officially back in control.